Mỗi chuyến đi là một cơ hội để khám phá bản thân.
Over 4,500 kilometers. Here are our top 10 places in Vietnam. Number 10. Hanoi. The capital feels busy and hectic and offers a lot of things to do. You can have a coffee while a big train drives by right next to you. To dive deeper into Vietnamese culture, one of the many museums will invite you to learn about the diverse history of the country. On holidays in Hanoi, you can experience various local celebrations. We could see Southeast Asia's biggest drone light show. We got a motorbike in Hanoi to see remote and authentic places and drove to our next destination. Number 9. Mu Cang Chai and Sapa. This mountainous region in the north of Vietnam offers you to relax and calm down while enjoying the unique view of the rice terraces and learn about the traditional ways of living and working on the rice fields. Keep in mind that between November and March it can get quite cold and cloudy, while the rice terraces are especially green in September and October. Number 8. Ha Giang. As one of our favorite locations in Vietnam, Ha Giang is an adventurous mountain paradise with thousands of curves to test your motorbike skills. If you don't have any experience, you can enjoy a ride on the backseat with a local tour guide, so-called easy riders. On the way, you will meet different local communities that will also offer you food and accommodation with their families and show you their amazing hospitality. Number 7. Cao Bang. While most tourists already heard about the beauty of Ha Giang, Cao Bang brings you off the tourist path and gives you the opportunity to explore the authenticity of the Vietnamese North. The fascinating limestone hills and winding rivers are perfect to adapt to the slow pace of the lives of the farmers and the local people living there. Number 6. Ha Long. This world-famous UNESCO heritage site attracts millions of tourists every year and feels similar to the landscape of Cao Bang, except that it's surrounded by the ocean. You can take a boat tour through the Bay Area and visit Cat Ba Island by ferry. Hey, I'm Alex, the creator of this video. If you enjoyed it until here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can produce more videos like this. Now enjoy the rest, the top 5 of Vietnam. Number 5. Ninh Binh. This place combines nature, culture and history. The ancient capital of Hoa Lu lets you explore the long-forgotten past of Vietnam. You can discover the fascinating Tam Coc area with a boat and see beautiful caves and temples along the way and rest in one of the relaxing accommodations near the river to enjoy the view of the limestone mountains. During the night, the temples in the city of Ninh Binh are lit up and local markets offer a variety of delicious food. Number 4. Hue. The imperial city of Hue was also one of the capitals of Vietnam before. Embedded by huge stone walls, it makes you feel like traveling back in time while walking through the old town in the center of the city. Just outside of Hue, You can also visit a massive dragon sculpture in an abandoned amusement park, which you can explore all by yourself. On the way down south, there are even more temples and beautiful nature to see. Number 3. Da Nang and Hoi An. Da Nang is a vibrant city on the coast that has one of the tallest white Buddha statues in Vietnam right next to a beautiful pagoda. Another highlight is the Dragon Bridge, which is especially impressive during nighttime. Just 20 minutes away, you will find the charming city of Hoi An, a well-preserved trading port from the 15th century. You can enjoy a walk through the old town and along the river. When it gets dark, thousands of lanterns create a magical atmosphere. We recommend you to take a boat ride through the canals and leave your own floating lantern in the water. Number 2. Dalat. In this mountainous city, you can explore the most unique building of Vietnam, the so-called Crazy House. Dalat also offers you to visit a beautiful temple where you can look for inspiring mosaic art and feel the calmness of this local place without big tourist crowds. Not far away, another spectacular white Buddha statue is a great opportunity for a day trip. The whole area around the city is an amazing waterfall paradise that you can explore and enjoy its different and unique shapes. Number 1. Ho Chi Minh City. The biggest city in Vietnam, formerly called Saigon, probably has the craziest traffic on earth. Next to many local street food options, there's a lot of culture to explore in this metropole. If you feel like relaxing in a park or doing sports with your friends, just join in and enjoy the Vietnamese lifestyle for yourself. No matter where in Vietnam you're about to go, you will feel welcome and at home. If you like the places around Vietnam, check out our video about the neighbor country Laos, where you can go far off the hidden path.